Understanding muffled laughter, a guide to nuanced English. Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of English expressions, focusing on the intriguing phrase, muffled laughter. Whether you're here to polish your English skills or just curious about this particular expression, you're in the right place. Muffled laughter is a phrase used to describe a sound of laughter that is not loud and clear because it is being held back or stifled. It's the kind of laughter you might hear when someone is trying to laugh quietly or when their laughter is being obscured by something, like a hand or a pillow. The word, muffled, generally refers to a sound that is softer and less distinct than it would be normally. This phrase is often used in storytelling or descriptive writing to set a scene or convey a character's emotions subtly. For example, if characters are hiding and one of them starts to laugh, the author might write that their laughter was muffled to indicate they're trying to stay quiet. It's not just limited to writing, though. In everyday conversations, you might use this phrase to describe a situation where someone's laughter is not fully expressed, like during a serious meeting or a quiet event. Let's see muffled laughter in action. In literature, the room was so silent that the muffled laughter from the back corner seemed almost deafening. In everyday conversation, even though we were in a serious lecture, I couldn't help the muffled laughter when I read your note. These examples show how muffled laughter can be used to describe laughter that is being suppressed or is not fully audible. Understanding phrases like muffled laughter adds depth and nuance to your English. It's not just about the words, but the situation and emotions they convey. We hope this guide has illuminated this subtle yet expressive phrase for you. Keep listening and practicing, and you'll find the beauty and complexity of English in these small nuances. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.